Okay, so it's time to get some solar panels up on the cabin. And I plan to do 2 facing this direction, south facing. Sun comes across the sky here. It's not going to be the greatest in winter just because I got a bunch of trees in the way for the kind of lower sun. But anyways, hopefully it'll keep the battery charged. And I'm going to go up there and try to hang the first brackets, see how it goes. In the future, before I do these roofing projects on these cabins, I plan to premeditate a bit the mounting of the solar panels, just because it would be so much easier to put some kind of brackets into the system on this ridge cap before I put the whole thing together. So anyways, you live and learn. That'll be the goal for the next one, is to think that through a little bit. So you can see the red and black wire just hanging below the fascia boards, and that is the power wire, or the charging wire that comes from the solar panels. I already put that up there, and it goes up through the eaves on the flashing, under the flashing, and then up to the ridge cap, which is obviously going to plug into the panels. Again, this is one of those things that I did afterwards, and if I thought it through enough, I should have put that all there before while I was putting the flashings on. It would have been so much easier. But anyways, that'll be a goal for the next one, is to premeditate this a little bit better. Well, recut those. workout for the hip flexors. Okay, so I got the pair of 100-watt solar panels. So those are mounted. Not a super easy task, and primarily because of this, the wiring. On my last one, I remembered to put the wiring underneath the ridge cap before I put the ridge cap on. This one, I forgot. So probably turned out better anyways, because what I did was I went underneath this end cap flashing here, and I went underneath there and then popped out right there. Came underneath the overhang, and I ran it through some conduit. Unfortunately, the conduit I bought wasn't big enough to feed the ends of the wires, so I had to slot it. But anyways, there's a connector there, and then it runs underneath this overhang and just into the building through there. So I now have power running into the building. I don't have much else hooked up, but that is pretty good. This it sounds so silly, but those aren't actually easy to mount, and I hate drilling holes through my roof when I've spent so much time making it sealed, and then just to drill through it to mount some panels. So I had aluminum angle iron is what they're mounted to, and they're kind of hanging there underneath the ridge cap. On these panels, there's actually a flap. You bend a flap underneath to stop the wind from blowing any moisture or rain, too much rain or snow or whatever, underneath the ridge cap. So there's a flap there, a pretty solid piece. So what I did was I cut a slot in the angle iron, and those are kind of hooked into that and then just laying straight out, and then you can see right there is where they're bolted to the angle iron. So there's two pieces of angle iron per panel hanging on that flap, and there's no way that's ever coming out of there. The one thing I've learned is that during the snow season, winter, the ice and snow load, if it builds up, does put a fair amount of pressure. It can even grab the wiring, and as it slides off, it can rip your wiring out. So I've had to, in the past, be aware of where I'm running the wires and how well they're anchored. So I kind of took note of that and hopefully got this one right. But yeah, that's solar panels, external wiring, pretty much done. That's a good day of accomplishment here. Pretty happy with that. A couple fires burning, fire pit here. That's where I think we're gonna leave it. I just gotta build a picnic table and put it out in this area. Outhouse, nice distance away. Got the path. Kind of made a little bit of a runway into that. Feel good about that. Good looking building. Jane came in this morning and did a whole bunch of brush clearing. So I had all this brush laid out here that from the limbs of these trees and things I had to clear out. And that's what this fire here is cleaning up, that brush. And yeah, wow, what a day. Turned out nice and sunny, pretty warm.
Good looking cabin. Good looking outhouse. Yeah, now it needs a picnic table somewhere in there. Solar panels don't look too obvious from the front anyways. Getting a good amount of sun. Yeah, very happy with the progress.